Poli Furniture Accessories serves with a total of more than 100 employees, 2 separate production plants and 1 large storage area. Poli Furniture Accessories produce different models and make shipment from stock. Poli Furniture Accessories keeps customer satisfaction in the forefront by organizing the loading time by completing the production and supply of the customer order in the fastest and highest quality until the deadline. It has been exporting to 77 countries for nearly 50 years with its technological knowledge and experience. In line with this experience, it aims to be one of the world's leading brands in furniture accessories in the near future. Poli Furniture Accessories, which has managed to create its own customer base and followers with its modern style, continues to meet its customers, which increase the quality of life and appeal to the eyes, increasing day by day.